Be quite a short video, and I should have actually done this origin video before I done the med video, because origin is an attribute that takes place before med, and it's actually quite an important attribute because it can break ties between multiple alternative paths in the network. So this is also one of the well-known mandatory attributes that's got to exist. So we're going to be using the same topology as we used previously, but what we will be doing, this is our topology. We have like R1, R2 and R3 in AS1, 2, 3, and R4 in AS4. And what I will be looking at, I'll just be looking at R1. So if I was to open up R1 and I was to have a look at the AS path for, not the AS path, the protocol, which we've got here on the screen here. So if we're showing the protocol for the prefix of 100.100.100.4, we see these two things here where 4 is the AS path where it originated from, and I is IGP. Usually I would have thought that IGP means originated from an IGP like OSPF or ISIS, but it looks like on Juniper that it indicates anything interior to that AS. So anything interior or inside AS4 will be seen as I for IGP, which isn't strictly correct, but Juniper does things their own way. And we find that IGP beats EGP, which is the legacy old exterior gateway protocol, which beats incomplete. We can try to manipulate. So if I was to jump on R4.
If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing, as 86% of viewers aren't currently subscribed.
And on R4, let me just get into the configuration. And if I look at the show policy options, and as I said, this should be actually a quite short video. For the root filter, 100.100.100.4, that's the one I'm looking to manipulate. So edit policy options, policy statement, med. If I say edit term 1, then I say set then, is it then? Set then, it might actually be from origin, but I think it's set then origin, and we see these origin parameters at the end. First I'll say EGP. If I was to commit that, what I'm expecting now is just for this, we should see from R2, because the reason I'm saying it's from R2 is because that med is attached to the R2 policy. So if I say top, let's say show protocols BGP, we can see that the med policy is attached to the neighbor R2. So I'm expecting for R2, which is this route, that this I turns to E. That's what I'm expecting. So let's do that. And yes, we can see that this I has now turned to E, which is the EGP. And we could do the same on R4 if we were to go back to our policy, edit term 1, and instead of saying EGP, we change this to incomplete. We should see a question mark in our origin code. Let's commit that. Go back over to R1. Yeah, and we can see that the E has now changed to a question mark. As I said, a very short video, but a very important one. Origin is a very important attribute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.